Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will tell you how to add video conference feature to your app. Video conference feature allows you to start or schedule audio or video conferencing for one-to-one or group meetings. You can also start an instant meeting with your personal meeting ID. Once you have successfully tested the demo app, click on Edit to add the video conference feature to your app. In My Features section, click on View All and search Video Conference. Click on the feature to add it to your app. This is your feature name. If you want, you can change it as per your needs. From here, you can change the feature icon. If you want, you can select a solid icon or an outline icon or an image from our library or upload your own custom icon. You can even upload 2 different images for the mobile app and website. Now let's move to the content section. First is video conferencing, powered by Twilio. Here you need to provide Twilio account SID, Twilio API key, Twilio account secret key. You can click on the tooltip to refer to our tutorial on how to obtain account SID, API key, secret key from Twilio account. Once you have obtained all the keys, copy and paste them in the respective fields. Now let's move to video conferencing section. Click on Manage Meetings. You will be redirected to Video Conference Dashboard. Here you can see your personal room name, personal ID, and personal room URL. With your personal meeting ID, you can start an instant meeting and invite people to join without any prior scheduling. Since your personal room is easily accessible with the same meeting ID and personal link, you can also use it to host regular meetings on the dashboard. You can also view all the upcoming meetings. Now click on Schedule to schedule a new meeting. You'll be redirected to the Meetings section. Here you can enter the meeting topic and provide a detailed meeting description. Now select the date and time to schedule the meeting. Set the meeting duration and select your time zone from the drop-down menu. If you want the users to join the meeting without any password, you can turn off this toggle. If you want to enable the meeting password, then a random password will be generated in the meeting password field. If you want, you can change the password as per your needs. The users will need to enter the same password when joining the meeting. Once done, click on Save to continue. You will see that the meeting has been scheduled successfully. From here, you can invite the participants via Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or any other email service. For now, let's select the Gmail option. If you are logged into your Gmail account, you'll be redirected to your Gmail account. Here you will see an automatically composed email with the meeting information in the mail body. You can add the recipients to the email and send the meeting invitation instantly. In the Meetings section, you can also check the meeting information such as meeting duration, meeting ID, date and time, password, and the meeting URL. You can click on the eye icon to view the password. You can even copy the invitation by clicking on Copy Meeting Invitation. A new pop-up will open. Click on Copy Meeting Invitation and the meeting details will be copied to the clipboard. You can paste the details where you would like to share it. If you want to update the meeting details, click on Edit icon here. Make the necessary changes and click on Save to continue. From here, you can permanently delete the meeting. Now let's go back to the Meetings section. Here you can manage meetings and check previous meetings. The previous meetings section displays all the past meetings that have been completed or canceled, whereas you can check all the ongoing or upcoming meetings under Manage Meetings. In the Manage Meetings sections, you can search for the meeting by meeting ID and topic. You can also filter the meetings by date. If you want to cancel the meeting, click on the Cancel button. If you want, you can delete multiple meetings in one go by selecting the specific meetings and clicking on the trash icon here. You can also schedule multiple meetings by clicking on Schedule More Meetings button. Now let's move to the Settings section. The Settings section is categorized into General Settings, Personal Meeting Settings, and the CMS page. Let's check out General Settings first. Here you will see 2 options. Require attendees to have an email ID at the time of joining an embedded password and invite link for one-click join. If you want, you can enable or disable them as per your needs. If you turn on the toggle to require attendees to have an email ID at the time of joining, users will have to provide their email address while joining the meeting. If you turn on the toggle for embedded password and invite link for one-click join, users can join the meeting with just one click without any password. You are done. Click on Save to continue. Next up, personal meeting settings. You can turn on the host video toggle to start the meeting with the host video on. The host will still have the option to enable or disable their video from the app. If you want to start the meeting with the participant's video on, you can turn on the participant's video toggle. However, the participants will still have the option to enable or disable video during the meeting. From here, you can change the personal room name. If you change the personal room name, then you and your participants will be able to view the changed name on the app. You can enable a password for the meetings using the personal meeting ID. A default password exists in the password field, which you can change as per your needs. The participants will need to enter the same password when joining the meeting. Once you have finished making the changes, click on Save to continue. Now let's move to the CMS page section. Here you can add the terms and conditions and privacy policy for your video conferencing app. Once you're done, click the video conferencing future window and click on Save and Continue to finish creating your app. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.